Okay, time to make some horrible noises. I've got my launch key here. I still don't know what this orange thing is, by the way. What does that mean that's orange? Let's see, what did we learn yesterday? One of these buttons. There's some way to open up something on the bottom. Okay, so it's orange. Huh. Arming the instrument doesn't seem to change the orange thing. Does that just mean that it's connected to the launch key? Let's try this. Okay, turn it into transport mode. Oh yeah. So I'm turning one of the knobs, and you can see that this whatever they call it, track head or something, moves. Yeah, you can zoom in, zoom out. Ah, okay. So this is like, okay, start and end. Whoa, I don't know what that did. Okay. What else we have? Yeah, we got the volume. Yep. Mm-hmm. Cool. That's all connected. Just put it in drum mode. Okay, so I watched a little more in terms of videos about this launch key. It's true that the keys do not have polyphonic aftertouch or any stuff. I don't even know if they have any aftertouch, but the pads do. Yeah, you can hear that. That's me hitting the pad. That's me hitting the pad and then moving it up and down. Yeah, I'll try to do it without aftertouch. That's without aftertouch. That's with aftertouch. So it's got polyphonic aftertouch. That sounds really horrible. So it's interesting. It's the keys are, I guess, serviceable. They feel pretty good because they're semi-weighted. I think they probably feel as good as any MIDI controller I've tried that's not super expensive. This is like a $300 controller. But it seems like the pads are where the action is. You can do, like, it's got a step sequencer and arpeggiator. It's pretty powerful, and you can assign chords. There's like a chord mode. Let's even figure out the chord mode thing. Is this chord map maybe? Let's try this. Yeah, okay. So if I click chord map, 8 of the pads are tied to chords already. And then there's some controllers you can change. They have adventure and explorer. I guess they augment the chords different ways. Yeah, and they have this roll function. You hear that? Instead of playing as a single, it's sort of like arpeggiating it, I guess, but it's like a roll. This is with that set to 0. And then here, 100 milliseconds. Okay. Scale. Arpeggiator. Latchet. Okay, I don't really know how to use that. Okay, and there's something called capture MIDI. So I just played some notes, and if I press capture MIDI, do you see? Do you see how that just appeared? Try it again. Huh? Interesting. I think Logic Pro has something like that built in, but the idea is you can just play some notes, and then, you can just play on the keyboard without recording anything, and then if you like what you played, you just press capture MIDI, and it will send the MIDI for those notes to the DAW. Well, that's kind of cool. So you can just kind of play around. All right. Well. I don't know what that was about. Hmm. For some reason the play button's not working. Nor is the record. I must be in a different mode now. Okay, now I'm in user chord mode, I think. So I can play a chord if I can figure one out. Let's see. Okay, I think that's a C major. Yeah, okay, I did it. So I played the chord and then I pressed the pad, and now it's saved. So I can just play it. So I can either just play it, or I can after touch it. One kind of cool thing is that there's like a little display. It shows you the keys you're playing and if it makes a chord or whatever it is. So that's a B major apparently. Okay. So it seems you have to press the pad, hold, and then play the keys. So that's a B. Okay. Place it. Alright, that sounds pretty horrible. I don't know what that post-processing is. Okay. Okay. Arpeggiator. Pattern mode. So you can use the pads to turn on and off notes. So you can add ratchets, accents, and ties. I don't really know what those things are. So I'm adding accent. Ratchet. Ties. I think the ties are taking two notes and treating it basically as one note. I'm not sure. Pretty funky. Enough. Enough of that. I guess that weird noise is because I'm using the synthesizer, maybe? What if I had like a piano? All right. Let's turn off the synth. C major. Save that on pad. Let me try the aftertouch. So I can just tap it. And also velocity sensitive. I'm not hearing much when I move my finger around. I mean, I guess it's got some sustain on it if I just hold my finger. Okay. But I definitely hear something with the synth. Maybe I can change the synth setting. Go up here. Actually, maybe I just change it. Let's get rid of this piano. Oops. Okay. So let us add vintage keys. Add this organ. Okay. Use this synth. Okay, now those are the keys. Okay, the pad. I'm not seeing any difference with the aftertouch. Maybe there's a slight difference. Yeah, I don't hear it though. I don't think so. Okay, but synthesizer definitely seemed to have difference with aftertouch. I think that has some effect there. So, if I go to Alchemy, all right, let's try something like that. When I let go, you hear that wah wah at the end. Try strings. All right, I'm a little confused. I'm trying to save this on the pad. And that's what it sounds like. And then it says like C sharp major, but it says C major when I play those. So I don't know what's happening with the pads. I wonder if it's because I was playing games with adventure. And yeah, maybe I was moving all those knobs around to give it. That's probably it. It's probably all this weird stuff that I with the control knobs. I wonder if I can turn all that off. All right, let's try that. No, I don't hear anything. Ooh, it's got attack and delay. Okay. Hmm. Huh. Okay. Let's try the drum pad setup. Drum kit designer. I have no idea what multi-output does. Whoops. Okay, I just want to delete the top one. Okay, let's see. Can I play it? Well, the stop button worked. Why didn't the play button work? So if I hold shift down, I just had to be in a different mode. Yeah. Okay, and if I hold shift twice, if I press shift twice right away, it seems to lock into the other mode instead of having to hold it. Okay. All right. This is a highly modal interface. Is that really what I played? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, I'm starting to figure my way out, way around a bit. I guess one nice thing is once you figure out all the key commands and shifts and things like that, you have physical controls for a lot of things. I don't know if that's better or worse or faster or easier than mousing around. I do think it's nice having separate, rotary encoders and sliders and things like that. It's nice having a slider for the volume. That's pretty cool. Um, so, yeah, I think that's nice. I guess so far the only thing that I could complain about for this device is the lack of polyphonic after touch on the keys, but it's a $300 keyboard or MIDI controller. I don't even want to call it keyboard. It's really just a MIDI controller. So pretty cool. And it does have polyphonic aftertouch on the pads, although I don't really yet have a good sense of which virtual instruments in Logic take advantage of that. I think I had my audio off. For a while. Oh well, that's okay. Just playing around. Yeah. Lots of modes on this MIDI controller, so I have to get used to the fact that like the pads have a whole bunch of different features, a whole bunch of different functionality depending on which mode they're in. There are a bunch of different modes, um, but I'm starting to get a hang of it. Let's see here. Mm-hmm. All right, control that with pads. Yep. All right. One last thing for today. I would like to see. Okay. The live loop stuff, which I don't really understand. Let's see if I can. Because. Okay. Mhm. Oh, of course it's muted. Okay. Well, I don't understand the live loop stuff at all. I have to learn about that. But I'm starting to get some of the sense of some of the modes. Yeah. I was wondering today. I was thinking today. Okay, well, what do I do with this? So, I'm learning a little Logic Pro, and I've got this keyboard, MIDI controller. I guess for now I'll just keep messing around with it and try to understand more about Logic Pro and where the controls are. Get to the point where I can actually find my way around. And yeah, I guess this is one kind of cool thing. I guess I can play things with the MIDI controller, and then I can do things like go in and edit. Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out my way around a little bit. Yeah, I've certainly learned a lot about Logic Pro. I still don't know how to use it very well. I'm starting to learn. Yeah, I guess that's the thing. Just a little bit every day. So what was it? It's like 10 minutes a day of DAW. 40 minutes now. So making videos, good forcing function. Yeah. All right. Talk to you soon, I hope. Have a good one.